My name is Ted Lin, the president of Lin Engineering. Over the years, we have worked with many different companies helping to solve their motion control problems. Rather than using the traditional Six Sigma system, we have successfully implemented a 4.5 Sigma system to improve operational efficiency, deliver consistent quality, and increase the pace of innovation. You are about to embark on a journey through the Lin Engineering headquarters. Thank you for joining us.
Hi, my name is Ryan Lin, Executive Vice President of Lin Engineering, and I'm going to be your host for the tour. This is our lobby, and this is where we greet our guests. And as you're waiting to be hosted into Lin Engineering, we've organized our sales and applications team to be coordinated together so that we're sales, application, and engineering are one team, and then they can focus on your specific application as a group. When you look at data flow coming into the organization, it enters the front lobby, customer service and applications and sales operations here. Then it goes into supply chain and planning, and then there's quality integrated into that data, and then it goes out to planning, it goes out to the floor. Okay, now we head into the operations. So this is a receiving inspection. This is all our product that comes in, and it's all in component kit part form, and then we basically build it up to customization levels. All of our process for incoming inspection is here for the ones that need to be inspected. We do have a green, yellow, red process. This is where the green basically goes direct to stock. Yellow means that we're under monitoring and just monitoring, making sure that everything is okay. Once we've established a supplier that has provided consistent quality and can maintain that quality through our quality program, then it will go to green, so we'll go direct to stock. Those who are red are not being established at that level, and then are being worked on and hopefully being developed into the green stage. So our goal is to get all of our suppliers to the green level and very minimal at the yellow or red. So this is our innovative inventory system, and after we implemented it, we saved the stock clerks walking time by 1 mile per week, and that actually allowed them to do other things to help out in other parts of the organization. And so when the orders are issued over in the office area, they come directly to the printer and get automatically picked from the inventory handlers, and then they'll send it out to the floor. So a lot of what we do is all final machining and final customization here. And so every piece of equipment is geared for high mix, low volume componentry. The way our fixture strategy happens, the way our machine strategy happens, it's all geared toward being quick and flexible for any type of volume. So the product gets staged over here and gets ready to be picked by all the machining operations, and then once it's machined, and then it will go to the next step into cleaning and assembly. This is the area for rotor assembly, and this is what happens, how we basically take any componentry and build it up to a rotor for any of the sizes that we have. Most of them actually can be built right away, and then we can build to your requirements. Everything is digital. We have all our reprints that are in the system, coordinated with the engineering team, and then comes up here digitally recorded and actually viewed, tied to the work order system. So we're near paperless. The job orders have to be paper traveled, but the actual print document is tied to the ERP system. So after the rotor has been assembled, then it will get UV activated for protection. After that, it will then get machined on the CNC grinders here. When we're done with CNC grinding, then we get into stator honing. After stator honing, then the parts get cleaned through our cleaning process. This is our clean and bake process, and then once they're clean and baked, they're ready for sub-assembly and winding. This is our BLDC line. It'll expand in the future, but at the current state at where it's at, we've got plans to expand this a little bit further. We've got a multitude of fixtures to help our flexibility and our speed to help push things through a lot quicker, and also have a lot of customization available. This is our winding carousel, and we basically can choose a wide range of different windings and tailor that towards your application. This is where the application engineers will take an application, do the calculations to figure out what's the best optimized winding for your application, and this is how it's put together. And so every machinery here is built and organized for small batch, high mix, and it gives us great flexibility. After winding, all of the winding gets staged to a one-day IPK system, And then it goes into a hybrid model of a lean U cell versus our own internal system. So it's a hybrid system that makes it work for our business. And this is where the winding and soldering gets to the lead wires. And after that, so we get any combination of lead wires that you need for your application, as well as connectors. This is a very simple and easy process that we set up. It all gets tested prior to us securing the connection. And then after it gets connected, then we are ready to go for the next step. So this is our hybrid U-cell shape. This is a station for laser welding. This is one of our innovations. And this is the laser welding machine. And then it gets tested mechanically and electrically, and then it will get packaged and shipped and ready to go. This is where we build our IP65 type motors. So there's an application for an aerospace application where we're basically making the motors to withstand water and dust migration into the motor and be able to survive various altitudes and temperatures. So when the motors are completely built and they're all done, they're all tested and final tested, we basically do our accessories add-on. So we add an encoder or a gearbox. So the way we do it in this order is to be able to make sure the motor is in 100% operating condition, and then we add our accessories onto it. This is our electronics area for where we do our custom programming and custom modules for electronics. Once everything is done, it gets packaged and shipped, ready to go, and ready for you guys to receive the product. So we have a small warehouse in the back that we stock finished goods, and this is to help with Kanban systems for our customers who want to rotate Kanban through our system as well as theirs. So this area is our cable prep. So it's like a wire harness preparation station. It basically feeds the rest of the plant in terms of all the different model numbers, different connectors, different wire sizes, different cable arrangements, and it's all done here and done to all the latest connector and wire specs. So we have small devices and equipment that can help just to speed up our pin insertion, as well as our high-speed volume for a little bit larger volumes as well. And then beyond this, then we have an overseas factory that would basically take up a lot more of the volume. This is our manufacturing engineering area, and so engineers sit on the floor to be able to support the manufacturing area directly. This is our engineering lab, and this is where some of our innovation was born. In fact, we developed our Zen motor here, which provides ultra smooth operating performances in a standard hybrid step motor.